Fueling your keto journey. A quick start. The ketogenic diet is more than just a diet, it's a way of life. It's a holistic approach to eating that can transform your health and well-being. It's about changing how your body uses energy. Instead of relying on carbohydrates like bread and pasta, you switch to fat as your primary fuel source. This metabolic shift is known as ketosis, where your body becomes incredibly efficient at burning fat for energy. This shift leads to numerous benefits, including weight loss and increased energy levels. Many people also report improved mental clarity and focus, making it easier to tackle daily tasks. One of the biggest challenges people face when transitioning to a keto diet is finding sustainable sources of energy. It can be daunting to navigate through the myriad of food options and understand what truly fits into a keto lifestyle. After all, our bodies are used to getting quick bursts of energy from carbs. This initial phase can be tough as your body adapts to a new energy source. But fear not, the keto diet offers a plethora of delicious and nutritious foods that can provide you with the energy you need to power through your day. From hearty meats to fresh vegetables, the options are endless and satisfying. This essay will be your guide to understanding and incorporating the best foods for instant keto energy. We'll delve into meal planning, food choices, and tips to make your keto journey smooth and enjoyable. From healthy fats to power-packed snacks, we'll explore the key elements of maintaining high energy levels while reaping the many benefits of a ketogenic lifestyle. Whether you're new to keto or looking to refine your approach, this guide will provide valuable insights to help you thrive. The need for keto speed: why instant energy matters. Transitioning your body to burn fat for fuel takes time. During this transition phase, you might experience dips in energy, often referred to as the keto flu. This is where the importance of having readily available keto-friendly energy sources comes in. Instant keto energy foods are like having a backup generator for your body. They provide your body with an immediate source of fuel in the form of healthy fats and moderate protein. This helps you avoid energy slumps, especially during the initial stages of keto adaptation. Moreover, these foods can help you stay on track with your keto goals. When you have healthy, keto-friendly options on hand, you're less likely to reach for those tempting high-carb snacks that can throw you out of ketosis. Keto Power Foods, your go-to list for instant energy. When you're on a keto diet, finding the right foods to keep your energy levels up is crucial. This list will guide you through some of the best options available. Let's dive into the stars of the Keto Energy Show, the foods that will become your best friends on your keto journey. These foods are not just nutritious, but also incredibly delicious, making your keto lifestyle both enjoyable and sustainable. Avocados. These creamy green wonders are a keto staple for a reason. Packed with healthy fats, fiber, and essential nutrients, avocados provide sustained energy release. They are versatile and can be used in salads, smoothies, or even as a topping for your favorite dishes. Nuts and seeds. Talk about a portable energy boost. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are loaded with healthy fats, protein, and fiber, making them perfect for snacking or adding to your meals. They are easy to carry around and can be a quick fix for those midday energy slumps. Coconut oil. This tropical treasure is a powerhouse of medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs. MCTs are rapidly absorbed and used for energy by the liver, providing a quick and sustained energy boost. You can use coconut oil in cooking, baking, or even add a spoonful to your morning coffee for an extra kick. Fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, and sardines are not only rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for your heart and brain, but also excellent sources of protein and healthy fats for sustained energy. Including these in your diet can help you stay full and energized throughout the day. These foods are like the foundation of your keto energy toolkit. But the real magic happens when you start incorporating them into your daily meals and snacks creatively and deliciously. Experiment with different recipes and combinations to keep your meals exciting and your energy levels high. Remember, the key to a successful keto diet is not just about what you eat, but how you enjoy it. Keto energy on your plate. Simple ways to fuel up. Let's translate these keto power foods into actual meal ideas that will keep your energy levels high throughout the day. Breakfast. Start your day with a power-packed keto breakfast, like scrambled eggs cooked in coconut oil with a side of avocado slices, or whip up a creamy chia seed pudding with your favorite berries. Lunch. For a satisfying and energy-boosting lunch, try a grilled salmon salad with mixed greens, avocado, and a drizzle of olive oil, or enjoy a hearty bowl of keto-friendly soup made with bone broth and your favorite low-carb vegetables. Dinner. End your day with a flavorful keto dinner like baked chicken thighs with roasted Brussels sprouts and a side of cauliflower mash, or indulge in a comforting bowl of zucchini noodles with pesto and grilled shrimp. Remember, the key is to prioritize healthy fats and moderate protein in each meal to keep your body energized and in fat-burning mode. Section 5. Keto snacks. Power up between meals. When you're on a keto diet, finding the right snacks can be a game changer. Snacking on keto doesn't have to be boring. In fact, it can be quite exciting and delicious. Here are some delicious and convenient options to keep you going between meals. These snacks are not only tasty, but also easy to prepare and carry with you. Hard-boiled eggs, a classic for a reason. They are simple to make and can be prepared in advance. Hard-boiled eggs are a fantastic source of protein and healthy fats, making them a perfect on-the-go snack. You can season them with a pinch of salt or your favorite spices for added flavor. Nut butter. Keep a jar of almond butter or peanut butter handy for a quick and satisfying snack. These nut butters are rich in healthy fats and can be incredibly versatile. Pair it with celery sticks, keto crackers, or simply enjoy a spoonful on its own. You can also use it as a dip for other low-carb vegetables. Cheese. Cheese is your friend on keto. It's not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. Opt for full-fat cheese varieties like cheddar, mozzarella, or brie for a tasty and satisfying snack that provides both fat and protein. Cheese can also be paired with nuts or olives for a more substantial snack. Olives. These briny bites are packed with flavor and healthy fats. They are a great way to add some variety to your snacking routine. Enjoy them on their own or add them to your salads and charcuterie boards. Olives can also be stuffed with cheese or nuts for an extra treat. By keeping these keto-friendly snacks on hand, you'll be less tempted to reach for those high-carb culprits that can derail your progress. Remember, preparation is key to staying on track with your keto journey. So stock up on these snacks and enjoy your keto lifestyle to the fullest. Section 6. Beyond the plate, lifestyle boosts for keto energy. While food plays a crucial role in maintaining energy levels on keto, there are other lifestyle factors that can further enhance your energy and overall well-being. Hydration. Staying properly hydrated is essential on any diet, but it's especially important on keto. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to prevent dehydration, which can lead to fatigue. Quality sleep is crucial for hormone regulation, energy production, and overall health. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to support your keto journey. Stress management. Chronic stress can wreak havoc on your energy levels. Incorporate stress-reducing activities into your routine such as yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature. By addressing these lifestyle factors, you'll create a synergistic approach to maximizing your energy levels and optimizing your keto experience. Section 7. Your keto journey continues. Embrace the power of food. As you delve deeper into the world of keto, you'll discover a wide array of delicious and nutritious foods that can support your energy levels and overall health, making you feel vibrant and strong. Remember, the key is to prioritize whole, unprocessed foods and listen to your body's cues, ensuring you nourish yourself properly. Don't be afraid to experiment in the kitchen, try new recipes, and find what works best for you and your unique taste preferences. The ketogenic diet is not a one-size-fits-all approach, so embrace the journey of discovering the foods and lifestyle habits that fuel your body and mind, making you feel your best. The journey to optimal health and well-being is an ongoing process, and embracing the power of food is an integral part of that journey, leading to a more fulfilling life. Section 8. Join the keto conversation. Ready to continue your keto journey? Follow us for more delicious recipes, helpful tips, and ongoing support as you navigate the world of keto and healthy eating. Together, we can unlock the incredible power of food to transform your health and achieve your wellness goals.